Welcome to this beautifully presented two-bedroom Willoughby Richmond at Fairview Holiday Park. Ideal as a starter caravan, it's affordable, comfortable, and perfect for peaceful getaways. The open-plan living area features wraparound seating, a freestanding dining space, and a well-equipped galley kitchen. The master bedroom offers generous wardrobe space and a vanity area, while the twin room suits guests. A large shower room and separate WC add convenience. Fully furnished and ready to enjoy, this holiday home sits in tranquil countryside with exclusive access to a private fishing lake, an ideal retreat for nature lovers seeking relaxation. For more information, just contact our friendly sales team.